In a world driven by machines, these two videos offer a rare glimpse into the beauty of manual craftsmanship. The first shows hands shaping raw wood, no gloves, no shortcuts. Every cut, every adjustment is done with full control and deep awareness of the material. It's not just about building, it's about feeling the wood and letting its natural grain guide the process. The second video brings us closer to a quieter detail, a hidden pull handle seamlessly veneered to match the rest of the surface. It's a subtle feature, almost invisible to the eye, yet the effort behind it is immense. Every alignment, press, and trim is done with care, ensuring the final result feels like a single, unified piece. Together, these moments show that real craftsmanship is not loud. It's thoughtful, deliberate, and honest. Whether shaping a board or perfecting a detail, these artisans remind us that the human touch still holds unmatched precision and soul. This kind of work can't be rushed. It takes time, patience, and respect for the material. Every piece tells a quiet story, one that machines can't replicate. It's not just furniture, it's a reflection of the maker's hand and heart.